Hello friends, today we are going to solve this question, which is given that if f of x equal plus 1 equal to x square minus 3x plus 2, then we have to find the value of f of x. Okay, so first we should to know what is function. Function is work like a machine, that in machine when we put any things it gives another thing, so it is also work like that. Okay, now we are going to solve this question. Here we have given f of x plus 1 equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. So first of all we are going to factorize this function, this polynomial. Okay, so it will give f of x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. So it will comes x minus 2 minus 1 x minus 2. Okay, now in both term x minus 2 is common, so we will take common x minus 2. Here x is left and here minus 1, so this gives us. Now see here, f of x plus 1 becomes x minus 2 into x minus 1. So we are going to write this factor like in term of x plus 1. So to write x in x plus 1, so if we add x plus 1 in x, we have to subtract minus 1 such that our function will remain same. Okay, so we are going to subtract 1, so this will become minus 3. Similarly, if we write x instead of x plus 1, so we have to subtract minus 1 from x. Okay, so when we will subtract minus 1, it becomes minus 2. So our x minus 2 into x minus 1 becomes like this, and when we will multiply and simplify this function, it will also becomes like this. Okay, so now see here that in the place of x plus 1, here is x plus 1 and here is x plus 1. So if we want to find f of x, it means we have to write x in place of x plus 1, because we have to find x. Okay, so in place of x plus 1, when we will write x, so it becomes x minus 3 and it becomes x minus 2. This will be our answer. Okay, thank you.